Good morning, guys. This is David with the Rocky Ridge Outdoors. We're bringing you a knife review today. Of course, you know I buy these knives off Temu. We like to try them and see how good they are. This set of knives right here, personally, are really good. So stay tuned on the video. We'll go through these. We'll see how they work on busting some wood for the camping guys, survival guys. Y'all just give us just a minute and we'll get right back to this video. All right, guys. Hey everybody, welcome to Rocky Ridge Outdoors. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Time frames, people, we've got people from all over the world watch these videos. So we just want to, let me move that out of the way just a little bit, to say hello to everybody, right? Hoping y'all having a great day. Anyway, when this camera here is set up, because we're doing a European mount, we're videoing that on how to European mount a deer head, guys. What we got here, though, is we got the knife review for December, the last knife review of the year. I'm hoping that we'll probably do this again next year, the knife reviews. I really like doing them. We're going to go over them, the weight, how they're made, how they're put together, the thickness, the size, right? Matter of fact, I need a ruler. Hang on just a second. All right. You got that ruler right there. We've got 4. We'll bust wood with 3. This right here is going to be an EDC, everyday carry little knife. Really handy for about anything you want, especially if you're camping or out there doing a little bushcraft, maybe whittling down something or needing to cut some paracord to put up a shelter or whatever you're doing. It'd work out great, guys. Anyway, you see I got the toboggan on. It's only 28 degrees. That's why we're in the shop. We're on this side. Don't look at the mess behind me. I can clean this shop up and in 2 weeks it'll be dirty again. I don't understand. I work all week, so yeah, I mean, I don't understand. What I'm looking at up here is turkeys. I'm gonna throw a short up. I got a bunch of turkeys up here hollering and stuff. I like the nature. Anyway, let's get to it, guys. This first knife right here is $24.99. Now, I've got a discount code in the description below, right? You can get 30% off. These knives right here is probably the best ones that I've did yet. We want to take, if you got the Temu app downloaded, you just turn around, guys, and delete it, re-download it after 3 days, I think it is, and get 30% off. You get these knives at way cheaper than what I got them. That adds up. Let's cover this case first. The case is made out of leather. It's got a snap that goes around the knife. Of course, you know I'm at the thing for the belt loop, riveted in, stitched very well, real thick. See how thick that is, right? Right inside it's got the little pad, so when you pull it in and out it don't cut your stitch. Kind of a nice little design right there. Let's turn these scales on. Lay that right there for a second. This knife, if you take a look at this blade, it's a Damascus steel knife. The handle is metal, riveted in, back to metal. That's going to be a very hard epoxy plastic or something. You can see where they put it together. See the design on that blade? I'm hoping the lighting over here on this side, I ain't never made the video over here, shows you perfect the stuff. Heavy. This sheath, didn't get no weight on that sheath. The knife is .595. The sheath, a .75. So together, .67. The weight, very heavy. Look all the way up this spine. That knife goes all the way through both metals back here. And I mean, that's a real good and thick. Let's measure this blade on this thing. From the tip to the handle, 5.5. The handle, 4 3/4. Overall length is right at 10 inches. 10 inches. I like the way it fits your hand. Let me put this on here. Like I said, it goes in there and snaps. Nice sheath. Heavy duty, heavy duty. That's knife 1, guys. Let's swap over to knife 2. Knife 2 has got double snap belt loops. There's 2 of them. I can get it to stay right there. 2 of them, right? You can snap right here. It's got Velcro and snap both. You've got a snap that goes around your knife here to hold it in. Little lanyard. Good heavy duty nylon. You got a pouch on the outside. You can put a sharpener in there, sharpen your knife up, or you could put a ferro rod in there and use the knife to start you a fire. Be great camping survival. Look at how they made this knife. This handle's hard plastic, riveted in. You can put paracord on the end right there to make sure that you had it tied and it didn't fall out, but with the way those snaps are, it won't. Look at that blade design. Got a saw right here. What's the knife say? It says Hong Fu, come from China, of course. Very thick blade, very sharp. I just like the design. Hold it up there, y'all can see that. Let's see this sheath. Let me zero these scales out. 0. All right, put that sheath up there. .165. The knife is .485. Combined, .635, guys. This is all in pounds, okay? Let's see how long this knife blade is on this knife. The grip on it's great. Good grip. Be a nice knife to carry if you're just out deer hunting. That'd be a good knife to gut a deer with. 5.5 on the blade to the point. This knife's got a pointed handle. And from the point to the end, 4 3/4. Overall, 10 1/4, guys. This knife, the first knife was, I want to think it was $24.99. This one here was $19.99. We'll take them out here and bust some wood with them just to let y'all see how they hold up a little bit. That's knife 2. Knife 3. Very heavy duty. I'm looking at that blade. Real thick blade. Great grip. Wooden handle, riveted in. You also have a place to put a lanyard in the end. You can tie it. Just knife. Leather sheath. Look how thick that is. Nice little design. Belt loop. Have to oil that down and use it a little bit. It's really tight. Good snap, thickness on it. What's that sheath weigh? 0.13. This knife's really heavy. 0.68. Combined weight, 0.81. The heaviest knife so far. I mean, it's just heavy duty, guys. Look at that. Stainless steel. Look at the thickness of the blade in the handle. And the metal goes all the way to the end. It don't go in the handle, so you ain't got to worry about that. 5-inch blade. And you see the design on it. It's got a curve. 5 1/4 inch handle. It's 9, the way it is 9 1/2 total from the tip to right here. And difference on that. Very heavy. Really heavy. I like it. Heavy, but I like it. That's knife number 3. Then we got, for knife 4, we got a fleece knife. Hang on a minute, let's go back and look at this. This knife here was $29.99, but you can get 30% off. Don't have no engravings on the handles or nothing, or the metal. This is a fleece number 4. We're not gonna bust no wood with it, but nylon, got a snap, got a hard case right here inside so it don't cut your threads. Riveted together. Of course, you know it's the belt loop. I like these heavy duty belt loops. This knife here would be great for just everyday cutting. The handle goes all the way through, I'm pretty sure. It's got wood right here in the middle. Metal. Nice little grip. Real sharp. Just a small knife. You can cut anything you want. Paracord, anything. Sheath. 0.11. The knife is 0.16. Combined 0.275, guys. Let's see how long of a blade we got. Blade on this knife is 4 inches. The handle's 3 3/4. So you got 7 3/4 overall length. That's pretty good. Pretty good little knife. The thing is if you didn't snap it and you forgot to snap it, it's tight enough inside that little plastic case that if you twist and tip, it's not going to come out. You get this knife, and there's another one comes with it that's a little bit bigger, right? And they're $19.99 for the pair, I think it was. Nice. I really like it, guys. We're going to put this back on just to take it back out. Anyway, that's the knives for December. I like them all. Heavy duty. We'll find out. You know, we had the one on the last one that snapped the handle just as soon as I hit the blade. We're going to take and move the video outside. I'm going to bust some wood with those first 3. We're not going to bust no wood with this. This is more a whittling knife, a cut your paracord knife, use around the campfire. Be really good to cut your meat and stuff if you're cooking, for camping and stuff, or even in a survival, just to use for certain things. That'd be great. You could use the backside to scale fish, and you could use this. It's sharp enough. If you kept the edge on this, you could fillet your fish with this knife. So I consider this a multi-tasking knife, guys. All right. That's the knives. We're going to move outside, right? we're going to take these and bust some wood. What I want y'all to do though, I'm going to say it now, take a minute, just stop and go down and hit the thumbs up. It's fast, free, and easy. Subscribe to the channel. We try to put video out every week. They changed my off day, so that messes me up. Now I have to change what I do to do my videos. I'm now off on Sundays and Mondays, but we work it all out. It'll work out. So we're going to take this. We're going to go outside. We're going to bust some wood. Y'all hit that thumbs up real quick while I change over and go outside. I'll see y'all in just a minute. All right, guys. Here we go. Oh. Knife one first. Knife one first. Let's see what she'll do. You're right through there. Green, but she went through, still kept the edge. That was knife one. We're trying to get let's try knife two. It's that black military style knife. Of course, I'm busting wood. It's probably bigger. See this knife here. Let's see if we can pull it out without cutting ourselves here. You'd have to do smaller chunks with it, like this, because of the handle's got those two pieces. Richard did the job. These two pieces keep you from being able to go all the way, so it shortens your blade cutting piler. I don't know if I told y'all it's like 28 degrees out here. It's cold. All right, let's try the next one. That was knife two. Here's knife three. That was that real big, heavy duty knife. It's got a real short blade though. We're going to say knife two ain't going to be your best for splitting wood. This one here is going to be the same. It'll work. You just got to take smaller bites. So that was all three knives, guys. We'll take y'all back in the shop and finish this video. All right, guys, we're back in the shop. A little bit warmer. My hands got a little bit cold out there. It's good Appalachian mountain weather. Anyway, knife one has the longer blade, busted the wood the best. It's a heavy duty knife. I'd recommend that knife. Knife two, like I said, because of the points right here, takes away that much, so you have to bust short pieces. It's a good knife. can be used for different things, but we seen that you had to bust smaller pieces. So you're talking about a 2.5 inch, 3 inch piece of wood, or a 1.5, maybe 2. Same thing with knife 3. It went through the best, but from right here over, unless you hit the handle the whole time, you ain't got enough room. Okay, all the knives are good. Like I said, the knife 4 was just EDC knife, I guess we'll call it. Those knives there, like I said, you can get 30% off. Got the code in the description below. Right, go down there and look at it. It's Temu code. Helps the channel out if you do use it, just a little bit, not that much. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I do this so y'all can see the knives, review the knives. If they break, they break. If they hold up, they hold up. Right? So, I mean, hey. And I like knives. Anyway, let's wrap this video up. Remember, the motto of the channel, let's take a kid fishing. Right now, I'm pretty sure you're not going to go fishing with anybody. Not here in the Appalachian Mountains, you're not going fishing. So you better find something else to do. Take them hunting, fishing, go outdoors. You can go hiking unless there's a lot of snow on the ground. I think they're calling for a little bit of snow tonight. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't join the channel. And remember, we'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a great day, guys.
This one might be a keeper. Got to get a little fight going. Oh yeah. Oh, what a slab. What a slab. Beautiful. Beautiful slab. Look at that. Oh, yeah.